How to post an ad on Kijiji. In this video, you will learn how to post an ad on Kijiji. To post an ad on Kijiji, you will first need to go to the Kijiji website. First, open your internet browser. Next, type in kijiji.ca and go to the Kijiji website. If you don't already have one, you will need to create a Kijiji account. If you already have a Kijiji account, you can skip this section and sign in right from the post ad webpage, which we are about to take a look at. Creating a Kijiji account is just like creating any other social media account like Facebook or Instagram. From the Kijiji homepage, click on Post Ad. If you don't already have an account, click on Register Now. To register for a Kijiji account, enter your email and set your password. To finish registering your Kijiji account, check your email on the email you used to sign up for Kijiji and verify the confirmation email sent by Kijiji. From the Kijiji.ca main webpage, click on Post Ad. Give your ad a title. Choose a category for your Kijiji ad. Fill out the details for your ad. You also have the option of adding additional tags. If you want to, you can add photos to your ad. Set a location for your ad. Set the price for your ad. Add your contact information. Your email will automatically be used by Kijiji, but you will have the option to add a phone number if desired. You also have the option to promote your ad. This costs money, but you can attract more interest in your ad by doing this. To finish creating your ad, select the Post Your Ad button. You have now posted an ad on Kijiji. Congratulations. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to watch out for people who may be trying to contact you to purchase the item you are advertising.